Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download Huawei app gallery on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. From here, just tap on install now. Then tap on install. From here, just tap on install app gallery. Then select download anyway and tap on open. From here, select install. From here, just tap on more details and tap on install anyway. Then enter your lock screen password. Then tap on open. Now from here, just select agree. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded Huawei app gallery on our Oppo phone. Just like that. And this is how you can download Huawei app gallery on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.